An emotional week here on Capitol Hill for military veterans. After blocking the bill last week, the Senate has now passed legislation that helps veterans suffering from toxic burn pit exposure. 10 Tampa Bay's Liz Crawford has been covering the stories of burn pit veterans for years now. She explains how one local vet paved the way for the PACT Act.
They volunteered to serve, put their lives on the line, and face the unthinkable.
It's war, it's not pretty, but you got so much other things that are going to kill you on a daily basis too, so it's like, well, what are you going to do?
You figured you'd get blown up.
Lucky enough to survive the war, only to come home to another battle.
Literally, I can't breathe.
Lauren Price was one of thousands of veterans exposed to toxic burn pits while deployed. Burn pits were used by the military to get rid of waste. Months after coming home to Florida, Price was diagnosed with several illnesses, including cancer. She passed away last year.
Let us not ever again forget our veterans like they were forgotten when it came to burn pits.
After the Senate blindsided veterans by rejecting the PACT Act last week, comedian and activist Jon Stewart, vets and advocates were on Capitol Hill this week demanding the Senate pass the bill.
I'm not sure I've ever seen a situation where people who have already given so much had to fight so hard to get so little. And I hope we learn a lesson.
Tears of joy, long embraces, and a tribute to every veteran, those who lived to see it, and especially those who didn't.
What she could do for other veterans and their families was the priority.
Liz Crawford, 10 Tampa Bay.
The PACT Act cuts through the red tape to give veterans access to health care and benefits that they need because of that burn pit exposure. Both of Florida Senators Rick Scott and Marco Rubio did vote in favor. Now heads to President Biden's desk.